You know what's the best way to learn a new technology? Build something. Want to know the best way to stand out as a job applicant? Build something. You know what's the best way to make an extra $1,000 a month? Build something. So why aren't you building something? Let me guess. I don't have an idea. The number of times I've heard that, it's insane. Everyone says, "Yeah, I want to start a business. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want a better job. I want everything." But they're not doing anything about it because they just don't have an idea. So I'm creating Find Your Idea, which is an online workshop, hopefully without the loud bird, that's going to teach you how to have as many ideas as you want. Well, let me guess, you actually have a lot of ideas, but you're just kind of worried and afraid that they're not good enough. What if I waste my time? What if people laugh at me? What if this idea doesn't amount to anything? How do you know when an idea is a good idea and you should pursue it and work on it and develop it into a better idea? Or you should just say, yeah, that was cool, I'm never doing that again. So I developed Find Your Idea, which is a online workshop. It's going to teach you how to make those decisions. It's going to teach you how to decide whether an idea is worth pursuing, whether it's a good idea, how to validate how much time you should spend on that idea, and most importantly, it's going to give you a mental framework and a checklist that you can use to quickly vet, validate, and classify any idea that you have. Some ideas are great as a job project, as a job application project. Some ideas are fantastic for learning new technologies. Other ideas are really good for starting a business. And so the way you decide how that goes, the way you decide what to do with an idea, how to develop it, whether you should pursue it further, that's very important, and that's what I want to teach you in Find Your Idea.